What if I told you that one third of your life is spent completely unconscious? You close your eyes, your body shuts down, your mind drifts into a world of dreams, and somehow you wake up hours later feeling alive again. But have you ever wondered why we actually need to sleep? Why can't humans just stay awake forever, like machines? Sleep isn't just rest, it's one of the most complex biological mysteries of life. Every creature on Earth, from tiny insects to whales, has to sleep in some form. Even plants have a kind of rest cycle. Scientists believe that sleep is older than evolution itself because it's coded deep inside the DNA of life. When you sleep, your brain doesn't shut off, it goes into maintenance mode. During the night, your brain literally starts cleaning itself. A system called the glymphatic system flushes out toxins that build up during the day, one of them being beta amyloid, a chemical linked to Alzheimer's disease. So basically, when you skip sleep, your brain gets dirtier. That's not just poetic, it's medical fact. At the same time, sleep helps the brain rewire and organize itself. Everything you learn during the day, every memory, skill, and emotion, gets replayed, sorted, and stored while you're asleep. It's like your brain runs a defragmentation program, strengthening the neural connections that matter and deleting the useless ones. That's why students who pull all-nighters remember less than those who get a good night's sleep. But sleep isn't just for your mind, it's your body's repair time. Growth hormones peak at night, your muscles rebuild, your immune system recharges. Even your DNA starts fixing small damages caused by stress, radiation, or pollution. In a way, sleep is like a built-in hospital for your body, every night, free of charge. When humans don't sleep, things get dark, literally. After 24 hours awake, your reaction time slows down like you're drunk. After 48 hours, your brain starts hallucinating. And after a week without proper sleep, the body begins to break down. Blood pressure rises, hormones crash, and mental clarity disappears. In fact, the longest anyone stayed awake on record is 11 days. And it nearly destroyed his mind. So what controls this powerful need for sleep? Two main forces: your circadian rhythm, your internal biological clock, and a chemical called adenosine that builds up in your brain the longer you're awake. The more adenosine, the more you feel sleepy. When you finally rest, your brain clears it out, resetting the cycle. That's why caffeine works. It blocks adenosine from doing its job, tricking your brain into thinking you're not tired. In our modern world, though, we're fighting against nature. Blue light from screens messes with our circadian rhythm, tricking the brain into thinking it's still daytime. The constant pressure to work, study, scroll, and stay productive has turned sleep into something we sacrifice, when it's actually the foundation of every healthy life. Here's the crazy part. Scientists still don't fully understand why sleep evolved. They know what happens during it and what goes wrong without it, but not the exact reason life depends on it so deeply. Maybe sleep isn't just about rest. Maybe it's about resetting what it means to be human. Because in those silent hours, when the world fades away and the mind drifts into the unknown, that's when your body heals, your memories form, and your soul reconnects. So next time you feel guilty for sleeping in, remember, it's not laziness. It's maintenance. It's evolution's way of keeping you alive, creative, and sane. Now let me ask you, if sleep is so essential, why do we live in a world that keeps trying to take it away from us?